Okay, so this is the bag that I'm trying to sell. Ito ay ang Birkin 40... Wait.
Hey, baby Nitro, you woke up. You're awake. Hey.
Sige.
Hello po,
Can
ma'am.
I take a picture with you?
Ay, sige po. Oh, it's alright, buddy. You just woke up.
Vlogger na iya.
Nakita ka nga yan. Ha?
See, it's Daddy.
Nitro, where are we? Oh, Shanta, nasan yung handbag mo? Yung social niya handbag mo?
Hi. Ano po, nasa likod ko po.
Oh, papalitan natin ang bahay, di ba?
Can I put a disclaimer?
Anong disclaimer mo?
Kasi, for sure, especially sa Facebook, comments would come up about dapat pili mo lang yan ng ganyan kasi ano, ang mahal naman yan. Ba't yan yung ano, dapat in-invest mo na.
Investment talaga yung bag na yan.
Iba-iba lang tayo ng gusto. Yung time na binili ko yung bag, yun yung goal ko. Parang may goal ako na gusto kong makuha yun. So, ito yung Birkin 40. Tingnan nyo. Yung Birkin 40 na to, meron siyang certificate from Baba Baby. Yung mga mahilig sa mga bags dyan, alam niyo yan. Pag Hermes, dapat yung certificate galing kay Baba Baby if sa pre-love market mo siya binili. Kasi, sure na sure ka na authentic siya. Ito yung Birkin 40 ko. Ang leather niya is Ardeen's. So, mostly, sinasabi Togo, maganda, ganyan-ganyan. Yung iba, gusto nila Togo kasi mas relaxed yung bag. But the problem with Togo, kasi, pag masyadong relaxed yung bag, mag-flap siya. So, maganda yung Ardeen's kasi, medyo may structure siya. Anong medyo? Tapos, workhorse din siya na leather. Yung kung mahilig ka sa, Epsom, parang, mas maganda pa to sa Epsom para sa akin kasi nagkikip siya ng structure at the same time workhorse siya, very durable siya. Yung corner nito may wears na pero kita mo naman black and gold combination, so siya very in demand siya. May feet siya.
Wow, naglalakad yan.
Pwede mo siyang suotin kahit naka lang, naka t-shirt at saka jeans. Yan, ganyan lang. Actually, hindi naman talaga siya mabigat. Tapos pag mas payat ka, pwede mo pa siyang ilagay dito, parang mamadali ka. Let's go! Maganda siya. Actually, ayoko itong ibenta.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because...
Bakit binibenta mo?
Para sa bahay.
Yun.
Sacrifice. I'm hoping to get 500,000 for this, but negotiable pa din siya. Mag-email na kayo kay Dwayne. Email ha, wag comment, email. dwayne.wooly@gmail.com.
Ayun.
For that.
Sana
Mura
all
na
my
yan,
Birkin.
mag-i-increase ang Maison next year. So, as always, yung mga luxury houses na yan, Chanel, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, nag-increase sila every year. Yung iba, 3 times a year. Kaya, it's your time to shine.
Oh, what's that, Nitro? It's a tikbalang. It's a horse?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a horse. Hey.
Hey, yo, check my flow.
You want that one, Nitro?
Please?
Yes, you can, Nitro. You can borrow that one. Oh, that's so cool, man. Oh, Daddy spin that one. You spin this one. Daddy spin this one. You spin this one, Nitro. This one. This one. You spin the yellow one. Yeah, that's it. Yay. Ayan guys, so Shanta's bag is for sale.
May stamp po yun. Makikita nyo naman yun sa sa certificate niya. Makikita nyo sa certificate yung kailan yung production ng bag na yun. I-hand deliver yun ni Dwayne.
Eh wow, ako yung naging delivery boy mo. Yeah, so kung gusto niyo bibilhin ang bag ni Shanta, ako mismo ang maghatid sa inyo para sure na sure, di ba? Ayaw namin ipa-LBC kasi mahal siya. Nitro! Wow, what's this place, huh? Where are you? What's that, Nitro? What's that over there? It's a spaceship.
This is my dinosaur.
Dinosaur in there.
Shall we get inside the dragon house?
No, they're my dinosaur.
Might be a dinosaur. So, andito kami ngayon guys sa San Juanico Golf and Country Club. Dito sa Leyte. What's up, buddy?
Daddy!
Wanna come to daddy? So pumunta ako dito 10 years ago. 10 years na nakalipas when Daddy last came here. Nakakalungkot din kasi ngayon parang nabayaan lang nila. Wala lang nagma-maintain ba masyado. Konti lang. Pang golf lang talaga siya. Dati may restaurant dito. Dati yung hotel nila open. Dati yung swimming pool nila maintain. Pero maganda pa rin siya. Maganda pa rin. Tingnan niyo. Wanna go there? Let's go watch there. Let's watch there. Kapre. Wow.
Oh, Nitro, no, don't go there. Stay here, come back here. Hello, kids. Meh. Meh.
The goats, Nitro. The goats. They funny? They're funny. Hey, where they going?
Let's meet the goat.
Go see the goat.
The mama goat. Daddy goat.
A daddy goat.
Let's meet the goats. Meh.
Oop.
Oh, no, it's not the mama
Oh
goat.
no.
I thought they're friends.
Oh, there's a bastos nga goat.
Meh.
Oh, they're running away. They're running away. They ran away, Nitro. They're going. They ran away. A kambing. It's a kambing. A kanding.
You call Kanding. Baby Nitro, you call Kanding. Try to call them. Come on, Kanding.
Kanding!
Again. Louder. 1, 2, 3. Kanding.
Kanding!
1, 2, 3. Last one. Kanding.
Kanding!
Alright, Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. So again, if you want to buy Shanta's bag, let us know. Send me an email, dwayne.woolly@gmail.com. Mag-usap tayo. You can make an offer. Ibenta niya ang bag niya para may bahay na siya. Ayun. Alright guys, we'll see you sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now.
You got me falling slow.